What's going on, guys? It's Jezzi. I am feeling a little better. I did take a ginger shot and just started drinking a lot of water. Um, trade analysis for the day. Well, if if we're not, my previous price analysis, I would like to say, is correct. I said price is going to come down to one of these support levels, and however it reacts, you can figure it out yourself. I'm not in the business of babysitting, I'm in the business of making money. Um, Never mind. I do explain some things, but this is, I'm sure if you're starting your trading journey, I'm, I'd consider myself a beginner. I just play my cards right. Still a lot of stuff I gotta learn. All right. Trade analysis, trade analysis, trade analysis, trade analysis. What did I do today? So, first things first. First trade, I absolutely just murked myself. I was not happy with it at all. Um, it was like around here. So I noticed that, and again, I'm not using my big account. I'm capital farming on my smaller account, which I'm going to use for earnings. So I'm just building capital for that. So next earnings that I'm pretty positive on, even though it is like a gamble, even but like Nvidia, like Nancy Pelosi, she put all that crap and money into it. What happened with earnings? Boom, it exploded. My friend did hit that, and I don't want to miss out on the next Nvidia. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. That is my game plan. So I was looking for some short trades. So I noticed that the whole day, every day, it would come up, reject, come up, reject, come up, reject. So I was like, all right. I was like, all right, bam. Price action looks pretty readable for me. But I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna blame me messing up on my like little cold that I have, but it definitely just I wasn't thinking straight. So I entered puts here. And what can we see? And I have this. I literally said yesterday, these two levels are going to be key levels tomorrow. And what can we see? Boom, key level, key level, key level, key level, key level, key super duper key level. So, I should have realized when I was like a few $100 up or something, because I'm full porting this account on every trade. So obviously, small moves I'm gonna make a decent amount of money on. But yeah, so I feel like when I saw this, when I saw price touch this support two times, well, first of all, my first red flag was this rejected really nicely off the support and came down again and rejected here. I should have exited here. Why should I have exited? Buy volume was way too strong. I think it was like 20 million buyers versus like 800,000 sellers. So, um, um, yeah. So I kind of like don't know what I was thinking. Also, I should have upped my time frame and noticed that green is the bigger inside candle now. But I'm dumb for that. Now I know. Yeah, so I like sold like above here, so I did lose like think like $500. It's whatever money comes back. It's not a big deal for me, which I'm grateful for. But I'm just more mad about the um, crappy execution. Um, I did take another trade. It was like right here. I caught this whole jump, but the annoying thing about it is I only bought like two contracts. This is like one like this is like a thing I've been having an issue with recently, and I need to fix it fast. Whenever I go bigger on a trade, like my first trade, I always screw up, but my second trade, I always do like really good percentage on it. But it's a smaller amount of contracts. I did I bought two contracts here for 26 cents, and I sold them here for like 80 cents. So that's like 400%. I don't even care how much money I didn't even make enough money off these two off this play to cover my loss from the first trade. Look at that. I caught this whole jump, but it still wasn't enough to make up for this. That's why that's why when you see these like big traders um making $20,000, $100,000, $50,000 a day, some of them aren't even like good traders. They just have a lot of capital. And I say I traded like 50 grand on this little trade right here, and it ticked down right here, I would have made like 20 grand, 10 grand. To the normal person, holy crap, this guy's making 10 grand a day. He must be really good at what he's doing. But in general, that is not true. They just make money from a course, and they cannot really trade. There's a lot of those people, so you got to be careful. Yeah, but that was my trade analysis for the day. Did 400% on this. Pooped the bed with this one. This is not going to happen. I really like how bullish the rejection off this support was. So we can assume a continuation of an uptrend, probably up to this. Trying to see. So maybe hmm, let's see tomorrow how it reacts off this resistance supply zone. This is a super strong. With my indicators, it only marks like really strong support and resistance with this indicator right here. But y'all can't see it. Should not have done that. Whatever. Yeah, it's definitely it. I think it's probably gonna like trade in between these levels with a slight uptrend. These are still very important levels. These two yellow lines. We're gonna make these white again because they are not as important anymore. Gonna delete this level as well. Um, extend these because they are still important. Okay, yeah, that looks good. I like this a lot. How do I know that they're important? Look, price comes up, goes wicks up, boom, comes right back in. Touches this, boom. You can see. I really like how this is super bullish. This is super bullish. Price is increasing. Retest for a yeah. I think price is gonna continue its uptrend tomorrow. All right, yeah, I'm liking that a lot. So that was a trade analysis and like price analysis for tomorrow. Um, yeah, I think it's gonna like come and reject off one of these supports. or it could fall through. You never know. But what I think is gonna happen, it's gonna really react off one of these levels of support and then go up. Alright, that is my video for tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Hopefully, I feel better tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.